Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Shall we start? Yeah.
Okay,
Ready,
sir.
sir.
Right. Shall we start? No. Okay. Right. We are discussing the contract account. There are two type of the contracts, less than and the one more than 1 year contract. We have finished off via introduction. After that, couple of example 1, 2, 3. I think we have finished example 3. No. The 3 1 finished.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What
Yes,
about?
sir.
Yeah. We have to look at the number 4. Example 4. We want to do that. Okay. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Please keep the question, question number 4. I cannot look at the parallelly. Please keep it there. The Cool Construction Limited undertook a contract for 2 million on an arrangement. 80% of the value of the work done by the company or certified by the engineer of the contract. The contractee should be paid immediately and the remaining 20% will be retained until the contract was completed. This is what we have discussed, retention. If there is a retention already agreed between the contract and contractee, say for example 10% or 20%, that can be accepted, that can be accommodated both parties, contractor and contractee. They are saying whatever the work you have completed or the work certified by the engineers, on that I will give you only 80%. 20% keep by me until the contract finished off. If there is any damage, I will not pay you 20%. The damage will be recovered from the retention money. These are the information given for a 2009 year, 2010 year, 2011 year. Altogether, they have given the data for a consecutive 3 years. From that, you are asked to prepare. You have been asked to prepare the contract account and the contractee, assuming that the balance to him was received on the completion of the contract. Okay, these are the information given. Look at the first example. We have finished off the contract within a 1 year. Finished off. Number 2 is we have done the contract more than 1 year. Number 3, more than 1 year contract. Parallelly, how to prepare the 2 contract or a 3 contract. If there are more contract, we have to open a separate column for individually contract A, contract B, contract C, like that. But this one, the contract given only 1 year, consecutively given. Look at the second question and the third question. They didn't give the consecutive year. Only 1 year data given. Second year, third year we don't have. Fourth year, fifth year we don't have. We don't know. Finished off. But here you have to work from the start of the contract until finish the contract data given. First year finished, second year finished, third year finished, third year contract completed, first year and second year financially completed but not contract completed. Look at here. Okay, right. I'm going to move to there. I want to share the document. New share. I am using my whiteboard. Please keep there. When I ask your data, please tell me. Okay. I want to prepare contract account. Contract account. This is credit, we know. This is the debit balance. The contract started on when? 2000 when? Started?
2009. 19.
2019. Okay. 2019, tell me what are the data given, what are the expenditure given. First one, material.
Material consumed.
Okay,
3 lakhs.
material consumed amounted to how much?
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. Okay, I'm recorded. I told you the guidelines. I have given the guy, which are the cost, whether it is direct cost or indirect cost, all costs would be recorded in the debit side of the contract account. Finished off. Therefore, material direct, I have recorded. Is there next one? After material?
Wages
Wages
payment.
payment,
Wages. Okay. Wages payment. How much is that?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Third one,
Carriage expenses 20,000.
carriage expenditure. Okay, 200 and
20,000.
220. Okay, next one,
No sir,
No, sir.
only
Only
20,000.
20,000.
just 20,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, 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 okay. Next one,
Cottage
Cartage expenses
expenses.
okay,
5,000.
cartage expenditure. How much?
5,000.
5.
Oh,
Okay, next one,
sundry expenses 5,000.
okay, sundry expenditure
5,000.
5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 information given. That's all.
No sir, fuel expenses 7,000.
Fuel expenditure 7.
Yes.
Okay, I will repeat again. Look at material consumed 300,000, wage payment 200, carriage 20,000, cartage 5,000, sundry 5,000, fuel expenditure of 7,000 incurred for the year 2019. Is it okay now?
Yes sir.
Right. Then I want to write down the work certified by the engineers. That is the part. Work certified engineer, because after 1 year is contract not completed. It takes 3 years. 2019, 20, 21. Okay. How much is the work certified by the engineers?
530.
5 lakhs and 30,000.
530,000. Now look at, there is no any other information. Now we want to look at whether there is a profit or a loss on that particular contract after 1 year. How much is the total? 500, 510, 537.
537.
Yes, 537,000 debit. Therefore, 537 debit. There is a gap of how many thousand? 7,000. This would be transferred to what is statement?
Income statement.
Right. Income statement as what?
As a loss.
Loss.
As a loss.
Loss. Look at, I will repeat again, I will explain you. The total expenditure for the first year incurred 537,000. Our total expenditure incurred for the contractor 537,000. Whether it is direct expenditure or indirect expenditure doesn't matter. We spent 537. Out of that, the company engineers came to the place, certified that this is the work done by you for 537, but I can recommend the worth of the work you have completed 530, therefore you spend more 7,000 will be treated as a loss that would be set off against the income statement for the 2019 financial year. Got it? Explanation?
Yes sir.
Right. Now look at, I want to continue my contract, or I want to discontinue the contract. I want to continue or discontinue the contract.
Continue,
Please
sir.
continue.
Yes, I have to continue. I want to continue. Therefore, I want to continue. I am writing here. Next year will be 2020. Is it okay? Understood?
Yes.
Right. If you are continuing the contract, you have to keep in mind, before record the 2020 year expenditure, what are the expenditure incurred previous that should be carried forward. Therefore, balance brought forward of work in progress. How much is that? 537 or a 530? Last
530.
year,
530.
537.
537?
530.
530, because our total expenditure 537. Is it okay? But out of 537, 7,000 rupees we have set off to the P&L account. Ultimately, we should bring how much? 500 and
30.
30 only. You have to be keep in mind. But I am not going to take 537. But if there is any write-off in the P&L account as a loss, that can be recorded, cannot be recorded, that should be transferred to M.C.A. That's why you want to take only 530. Understood? Ibrat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to record the what are the item given. First you have to record, I think material consumption is there. How much?
250.
215 or 50?
15.
Okay. 2150 material. There will be the wages. How much?
245,000.
245,000. Okay. Next one there will be the carriage expenditure. How much?
18,000.
18.
Yes.
Right. Last one cartage.
7,000.
7,000. Next one sundry expenditure.
4,000.
4,000. Fuel.
11,000.
11,000. Okay. Please record. Please record. Please continue. I have a break because of the space. Right. Look at up to now. Can you tell me 2020 how much the cost incurred including the last year work in progress brought forward? How much is that? Last year brought forward amount including last year brought forward. How much is that? Can you tell me? 530 material, labor, cartage, miscellaneous, sundry expenditure, everything we have included. Can you tell me how much is that?
Thousand 30.
Okay, I so sorry, I don't have an answer. Can you tell me what is the answer? Total
1,030,000.
One.
1030.
10307. Is it okay? Total, I don't have an answer. Okay. Therefore, can you tell me what are the information given in the 2020 next year? Next year they have given 80% of the contract was certified as done by 31st March 2020 or 10. Okay, 10 or 20. Agreed was rewound. The value of the unused stock 50,000. The work in progress uncertified was 40. Okay. Can you tell me? I want to record how much certified by the engineers. They are saying work certified by the engineers. What is the percentage?
1,600.
1,000.
600.
Okay, this is okay. 1,600,000. Is it okay? Right. Out of they are saying, I told you whether work certified or work not certified, whether work certified or work not certified, that would be recorded in the credit side of the contract. They are saying work not certified, how much? 50,000. 40,000. Okay, please tell me now what is the answer. Work certified how much?
40,000.
40. Is
40,000.
okay, is there anything material at site?
Yes, sir. 50,000.
Yeah?
50,000.
50,000.
50,000. I want to appoint the one monitor. If I ask, please tell quickly. Okay. Those are the information given. Look at here. Material at site, we didn't use it. Work not certified by the engineers also 40,000. Therefore, our total will be 1690,000. 1960,000. Therefore, there is a gap of how much is that? 660,000. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
This can be divided into two, one and one. One amount should be transferred to income statement, other one transferred to statement of what? Financial position. Statement of financial position we are saying reserve, income statement we are saying what is that? Profit. Okay? Is it okay now? Right. To calculate the second year actual profit, we have a formula: apparent profit multiplied by 2 divided by 3. Our retention is 20%, therefore 80. Apparent profit we have calculated 660,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. Retention is 20%, therefore unretention 80%. We have to make an adjustment for a retention of 20. The balance would be 80. Therefore, that should be taken. Can you tell me the answer for that? I don't have a calculator. Please tell me.
352.
352. Yeah. 352,000 would goes to the P&L account as a profit. Balance of 308,000. 308 plus 352 will be 660. Is it okay? Understood? Yeah?
Okay, sir.
Right. Please keep in mind. Look at here what I am doing. Follow the steps. This is 3 years consecutive contract. We have finished off contract 1 year finished off. Second year we have finished off second year. There are 660,000 we have recorded apparent profit or obvious profit. From that we have worked on the standard based on the LKS Sri Lanka accounting standard. We made the contingencies, we made a retention. After that we have calculated 352,000 is the actual profit goes to the P&L account. 308 is the balance that also from the apparent profit, but we cannot take current year. That has to be recorded as a reserve until the contract finished off. That amount would be located in your statement of financial position under the reserve. Okay. Is that okay? No? Right. Now we have to continue our contract. We have to continue our contract for a 2021 year. (2021). Okay, got it? Here also balance brought forward of work in progress. How much are work in progress? How much are work in progress? 1,600. Is it okay? Yeah?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes. One thing you have to keep in mind. You have to keep in mind second year. If there is any reserve amount in that particular year, if there is any reserve on that particular year, that should be reduced from the work in progress amount. Whatever the work in progress we have calculated, from that if there is a reserve would be recorded, because otherwise we will go for a double counting. Okay, balance I am writing here, you have followed this step. 1,600,000 minus 308,000 is our work in progress. How much is that? 1,292. Got it? What I am saying, got it? If there is a reserve on particular year, if there is any reserve on particular year, that should be deducted from the work in progress to find out the brought forward. After that, whatever the work not certified, that also to be added here 40,000. Then The last year or a closing material of 50,000 also would be recorded. Follow this system. We want to take the closing balance. If there is a reserve, would be recorded. If there is a work in progress, uncertified amount would be brought forward for a next year. The material at site closing balance of the previous year would be brought forward for the current year. Is it okay? Understood now what I followed?
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, all the expenditure given in 2021 would be added. Can you tell me one by one? First, material. We have to finish off this stage, otherwise you won't miss it. Now you can go. Material, how much? 110.
142.
114.
No, sir. 142.
142. Yes, material 142. Wages 188. Wages 188. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Right. Next one.
Cartage expenses 10,000.
Cartage 10,000. Okay. Next one.
Sundry expenses 8,000.
Sundry expenditure 8,000. Next one.
Fuel 22.
Fuel 22,000.
Fuel 22. That's all, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Can you find out the answer, please? What is the information given in the next para? Can you read, anyone? Can you read, anyone?
On 31st March
Okay.
2021,
Okay.
the entire contract was complete.
Okay.
Company's accounting period is 31st December each year.
Right. That's all, no? Right. Therefore, the contract is completed or not completed?
Complete.
Completed.
Completed.
The contract is not completed. You should be aware of the work certified by engineers, but the contract is completed. We have to record what price?
Contract price.
Yes, contract price. How much is the contract price? First para.
20 million.
20 million. 2,000, 1,000, isn't it? Right. Can you tell me the total expenditure in my previous slides? Total.
1,752.
1715.
52.
1752,000. Look at here. Here is the total 2 million. Here also 2 million. The difference is how much?
248,000.
200 and
48,000.
248,000. Is it okay? 175?
Yes, sir.
175 is okay. Okay, na? $175 okay? Right. Therefore, 240,000. What profit? Apparent profit or actual profit?
Actual profit.
Right. Actual profit. There is no apparent profit. This would be transferred to income statement. There is no apparent profit because entire amount we have or entire contract completed. No contract to be done. Contract finished. Contract is completed. Therefore, no need to do that. Is it okay? Yeah?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Right. Is there any query on that? If there is any question on that, please ask me. If there is anything, ask me. Okay. Is there anything doubt on that? Ask me, please. How to do that? I okay no contract account. I have given the explanation based on the LKS 11. After that, we have discussed the how to record for accounting less than 1 year and the more than 1 year. We have done a couple of example less than 1 year, more than 1 year consecutively. We have done it. Is it okay? If there is any doubt, ask me. No doubt. Understood? Rinmas? Okay.
Okay, sir, understood.
Sibra?
Yes,
Okay. You want to ask anything? You understood?
okay, I understood.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Simla? Bakia? Kalintu?
Understood, sir.
Okay, right. Tuminde? 032. Okay, right. I think you have understood. The question number 4, we have done 4. Please do the last one. You can do that. That is the exercise we have done. Therefore, this is the area I have covered up the contract account. I think more than enough. You do the exercise 1. We will start the new topic in the next class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. I am going to wind up.